You might know it for its soothing scent, but there's so much more to this incredible essential oil. Here are 10 strange facts you might not know about lavender oil. Fact number 1. Did you know that lavender oil has been used for thousands of years? Ancient Egyptians used it in their mummification process, while Romans added it to their baths for relaxation. Lavender oil's history is as rich as its aroma. Fact number 2. Lavender oil isn't just for its fragrance. It's known for its healing properties. During World War I, it was used as an antiseptic for treating wounds. Today, many people use it to soothe burns and insect bites. Fact number 3. Lavender oil can help with hair growth. Massaging it into your scalp can promote blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Who knew your hair care routine could smell this good? Fact number 4. Lavender oil is a powerful stress reliever. Its calming effects can reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Try adding a few drops to your pillow or diffuser before bedtime for a restful night's sleep. Fact number 5. Lavender oil can be used in the kitchen. Culinary lavender oil can add a unique flavor to your dishes. It's often used in desserts like lavender cookies and cakes, adding a delightful floral twist. And there you have it, 5 strange facts about lavender oil that you might not have known. Whether you're using it for health, beauty, or even cooking, lavender oil is a versatile and fascinating essential oil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting facts and tips. See you next time.